Hi everyone, welcome to Make Money YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the topic rich dad versus poor dad. So the rich dad focus on assets and reinvest and do expense from the assets, and the poor dad purchases luxury car, luxury house and phone through EMI. Through the life he used to spend EMI. So this is the major difference between the rich dad and the rich poor.
And the poor dad.
Rich dad, the income lifestyle, he convert the entire income to various assets, and the various assets produces returns, and it is converted as passive income for the person, and he used to reinvest that amount. And the rich dad never have liabilities, so he reduces liabilities and focus on assets. But the poor dad, what he does, gets the income from the salary, and he used to get luxury car, goes for parties, shopping and restaurants, and there is no assets, only full and full liabilities like credit card bill, taxes, home loans. So he need to focus on liabilities. He doesn't know which one is asset and liabilities. So we can briefly see what is the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets, something that puts money in my pocket, is called assets. Say for example, the interest from fixed deposit, the rent from a property, the profit from a business, the dividend and bonus from shares. These are all the assets. Poor dad, what is focused on liabilities, getting a luxury house, car, and paying EMI through the life, credit card bills. These are the liabilities which takes money out of my pockets. In other way we can say the assets, where rich dad rent it to someone, the building or property he rent it to someone and gets the income. But the poor dad live in it, and entire life he used to spend property tax, and uh, he used to pay for EMIs. And the other difference between rich dad and poor dad is the rich dad lifestyle and cost effective purchases while shopping. 350, 450, 800, maximum 1600, it will be a cost effective. But the poor dad purchases above 18,000, luxury shoes, pants, shirts. He doesn't know the value of money. So the poor dad income is equal to expense, so the assets will be very less than liabilities. Why the rich get richer? The main thing is the middle class and the poor people will depend upon only the salary, but the rich have so many source of income like salary, business profit, dividend yield, and returns from rent. So many profits they used to reinvest that. So they have multi source of income, but the poor or middle class have only source of income salaried. So this is the main difference. And more assets they have, rich one, and poor one have only liabilities. In other case we can say poor dad versus rich dad. Poor dad depends upon company or government for pay hike, medical insurance, retirement plan, etc. I'm not and poor dad mentality will be, I'm not interested in money. Our home is our largest investment and our greatest asset. Whereas rich dad believes in total financial self-reliance. Money is the power. My, my house is a liability, and if your house is your largest investment, you are in trouble. So that very different mindset of rich and poor. Poor will say I can't afford it, but the rich will say how I can afford it. Second, rich people don't work for money, they make money work for them and generate passive income. Third, financial intelligence is must, because even rich or poor, if you have 1,000 1 lakh or 1 crore. If you don't have enough financial intelligence, you can't save the money. So financial intelligence is must. It is not about how much money you make, it is about how much money you keep. So pay yourself first, save first, spend next. Financial statement you can brief like income, expense, assets, liabilities. Liabilities are nothing but expense, EMIs, and purchase of cars. These are all liabilities. And income, which is nothing, comes from passive income, comes from assets. Why rich become richer? Because they use the power of corporation and reduce tax. So they can avoid in so many ways in corporation building a business, and they use that power of corporations. ROI is important. Why? Because return on investment. So calculate the return before investing. Fear and desire rat race, where the poor and middle people use that one. They have fear on job, and they used to spend, and again desire means they have have idea to get that product, and they get it and they work again. So this is the fear and race rat race. Spend all your earnings and never get rich. Invest your income is the main theme. And the secret of rich is, the only secret is, know the difference between an asset and their liabilities, and buy assets that generate income for you without you working there. Poor and middle class work for money, rich have money work for them. So buy assets. This is the main difference between rich dad and the poor dad. Please start saving, and start your saving as assets, and generate passive income, and be a rich dad, and avoid the poor dad expenses and liabilities, and generate assets. So thank you for watching Make Money YouTube channel. Please subscribe, share, and comment so that I can